Hi, welcome to the Agentic Sitecore component creation process. So here we are going to show you the initial state first and then go through the agent component creation process and then show you the final state. So let's get going. Here is the Figma design that we would like to use for the image text component that we would like to create. It has a title, some content, image, and 2 CTAs. Now let's look at the VS Code environment. In the VS Code environment, currently there's no image text component, and in the styles, there is no image text component styles, and in the index CSS doesn't have any reference to image text component. Now let's look at the Sitecore environment. The content tree looks like about page has one rich text module and the home page has 5 modules. And let's look at the templates and the renderings. In the renderings, there is no image text rendering, and there is no data templates for skatepark site. With this as the initial state, let's get going. Let's look at the pages right now. So this is the home page for the skatepark website, and this is the about page for the skatepark website. Right now there is no image text component on any of these pages. Okay, let's get the agentic component creation process started. I've previously created a prompt for this, so let me paste the prompt. So this is the prompt: create image text component with this Figma design in skatepark module. Use default rendering. So let's give this to the agent and see what it does. So it's right now getting the design context from Figma. It got the design context from Figma MCP. So it's now executing builder step 1. So it's right now taking the test 2 and the module is created, and the image, the step 3 is being performed. It has identified the fields and it's creating the fields. It's creating the React Next.js components. It's creating the style sheet. It's importing it into the index. Component is registered. No errors in the component. It's now trying to build, and it has successfully created the component. So it's giving a detail of what React component it created, the styles and everything. So now it has successfully created the component. Now that the agentic component creation process has completed, we can look at the items it has created. Let's look at the VS Code first. So in VS Code, as you can see, it has created the image text component and the image text rendering underneath it. And it has created the image text styles. And it has also included the image text styles into the index.csx. So now that we have seen the VS Code, let's go and see the Sitecore environment. In Sitecore environment, here are the renderings. There is no skatepark right now, but let's refresh this. You can see the skatepark rendering that has been created, and in the templates there are no skatepark templates. So let's refresh this, and as you can see, there's skatepark image text component template, and here are the fields that are there for that. Now once we add the component to the home page, let's look at how it looks. So this is the home page without the component initially. Let's refresh this page. You can see that the component is now here, the image text component. As you can see, the headline, content, the CTS, the rounded CTS in the image, and it closely resembles the Figma design, as you can see here. Now let's look at it, how it looks on the page. So after adding the component to the about page, this is how the about page was before adding the component, and now once the component is added, let's refresh this page, and here you have the component. As you can see, the header, the title, and the 2 CTAs in the image. As you can see, the rounded corners, it closely resembles the Figma design, as you can see here.